The new owner arrives in 5 minutes, sir.
I know. Just another meeting. You have done this before.
They are here, sir.
Send them in.
Good morning, Thompson.
Good morning. Please, Nair, sit down.
James? Good afternoon, Thompson.
This is impossible.
It is very possible, Thompson. Years ago, you said I was not the right fit. Today, I am the new director. Wrong row again. Third time this week.
Still fixing their mistakes?
Someone has to. The routes are wrong. If they fixed this, deliveries would be on time. Not forever.
You should go home.
I will. 5 more minutes.
This company needs leaders, James, not operations staff.
I read your suggestion. It was not useful.
You are not the right fit to this company. The front desk will help you gather your belongings.
That was wrong.
It is done.
What will you do?
I do not know yet.
Warehouse assistant Diney, night shift.
Yes.
And I designed a route optimization system in my own time.
You were only a warehouse assistant? We need someone with real leadership experience. Same answer. Next one.
How did it go?
They said no.
They said no.
Thank you. We will be in touch. Of course. Thank you for your time. 11 companies.
12, if you count the one that never replied.
They keep closing the door. Maybe I need a different door.
Hey, where did you go just now?
I had an idea.
Is this what I think it is?
A system that actually works. Route inefficiency connived. That is the problem. And I know exactly how to fix it.
James, this could actually work.
It will work. Broken again. Then I fix it again.
Version 3 is stable. Haha.
Then we find our first client. If no one gives me a chance, I will create one.
What if the system runs slow during the demo?
I will be there. I know the code. One client. Just one. You say your software fixes late deliveries. I say it eliminates the cause of them. This is your current delivery network. And this is what it looks like with our system.
Your system has stopped. 1 moment, Safe. I have it. Maybe your company is not ready for this. We need a system that works, Tay, not a promise.
Please, May. 30 more seconds. I know what is wrong. The system is live. You can test it yourself now, Kante, right here. This route saves 4 hours. Every day for your largest delivery zone. You fixed a live system error in front of me. That tells me more than any prepared demo. Can your system handle our full delivery network? Yes. That is exactly what it was built for. I need to review the contract terms. But I will be in touch, James. You did not alarm when the system broke. The system broke. I fixed it. That is what I do. Show me the scaling model, Tevity, for a network twice this size. Here, this is exactly what it looks like. What is the error rate at full load? Less than 0.5% Fareed. I have tested it against your current volumes. You built all of this yourself? With one person helping me.
This is exactly what our business needs. Send me the contract terms by Friday.
Hey, he said yes.
He said yes.
He said yes. You did it, James.
We did it.
That is client number 8.
8 clients. Let us get to 20.
6 months ago, it was just us and a whiteboard.
And a lot of takeout cups.
We reached 1 million users.
1 million. You are the reason I did not stop. Not yet.
What is next?
We keep building.
This client is 3 times larger than our current biggest.
Then we scale the system. We have done it before.
2 years, 50 clients.
2 years. Not bad for a not the right fit warehouse worker.
Hey, your old company. It is filing for financial review.
How many employees? 43 people.
Are you thinking about revenge?
He looks like a different person.
He made his choices. Those workers did not. Their delivery failure rate is 62%. I wrote a proposal to fix this 5 years ago. 43 people. They did not fire me. He did.
Same as before, but you are still here after midnight.
Same problem. Different building. Not for me. For them.
The papers are ready when you are.
Walk me through the terms. What happens to the staff if no one buys it?
43 redundancies within 30 days.
Are you sure you want to buy the company that hurt you?
He said one word. I do not want that word to decide what I do now.
Hey, you have already decided.
Not the right fit. Not for Thompson. For the 43.
It is done.
Now we prepare for the meeting.
One more time. Then I will not need you anymore.
They are already in the building, sir.
I heard. Just another meeting. You have done this before.
Good morning, Thompson.
Good morning. Thank you for coming.
You are the one who made the offer?
Yes.
Yes.
Years ago, you said I was not the right fit. Today, I am the new director.
I did not expect this. I did not expect you. I was wrong, James. I completely underestimated you.
I know you believe that now. The question is, what we do from here.
The past is behind us. Now, we rebuild this company.
You said you would create one. You did. You proved him wrong.
No. I proved that people can grow. You carried me far enough. Thank you.
What is next?
We keep building.